Hi, today we have a robot mower, lawnmower, Meec SA800 model. Robot has turned on after manually charging the battery, but base wasn't working. So this PCB is from a base station, and here you can see burn track, and I already found much more burn components. Those diodes are dead, this diode, this resistor, and maybe a couple more diodes are dead. PCB was completely shorted, so when turning the power to the base, power adapter was shorted. I already got needed components. This MOSFET is dead, so I couldn't. The original is NCE55P30K. I couldn't find this one in a fast way, so I ordered replacement STD35P6. And this is drawing to understand the circuit which is bad, and I marked all the diodes, and let's try to replace everything and see if it will work or not. Okay, looks like all components which looked bad replaced. And according to this damage, seems that somebody played with the power line on this base station, and possible connected not native charger but some kind of other charger, maybe with higher voltage, or they put minus and plus on bad direction, and there was a lot of components burned on the power line. So replaced this diode, they were on the power line. Also this MOSFET, it is for the main boundary wire, the signal generation. This diode also related to boundary wire. This diode also was replaced. And what else? And this diode was replaced. And one more in the back, this one. It also belongs to the boundary wire. And one more, it was resistor, which is boundary wire ground. It was also burned. All what is left to test, I think. And here is the base. So light is on, button is working. One more thing, that this base has two boundary wires, one of which is connecting here, and another is under this big plastic, like a square with a tiny wire, and it also has a signal in that wire. I am thinking that this tiny wire is used when robot is getting back home to feel that it is on the base. So we need to test both those signals, this one and under the base. Okay, and I connected oscillograph to small boundary wire, which is under the base. Testing small boundary wire again, and it appears that I do not know how to use the oscillograph. And if I lowered input voltage sensitivity on the oscillograph, I see this kind of signal. So it's about 100 Hertz and looks like this. Okay, and the main boundary wire, I have connected 10 ohms resistor and some long wire as a real boundary wire. And let's check a signal. And again, main boundary wire signal. Let's zoom out. So it looks like 7.14 kilohertz. And the shape is something like this. Let's test it outside. Okay, and here is the base. It's already connected to perimeter wire. Let's try test the robot. Let's test home function because it's most complicated. And what do you think? It works. Like and subscribe if you like the channel. Thanks, bye.